Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of x in these functional equations. So let's see solution from here. We have f of x plus 2 equals x squared plus 5x plus 4. So we have in the right hand side, which is a quadratic equations, and we have this domain here, which is x plus 2. And we want to make sure that all what we have here is x plus 2. So that's why I'm going to be presenting this method called form manipulation. So we consider from this left hand side, as we have f of x plus 2 equals, we try to factorize this, and we should know that this is the sum, and here is the product. So for this, we are going to look for two numbers. When we multiply it, it gives us 4, and when we add it, it gives us 5. So, and the two numbers are 4 and 1. So therefore, we have this as x squared plus. So with this one, we have this as x plus 4x. So x plus 4x, that is 5x, then plus 4. Because when we consider the coefficient of x, that is 1, and coefficient of this x is 4. So 1 multiplied by 4, that is 4. So which means this works. So in the next step, we have f of x plus 2 equals, so let's combine the first and the second, which are x squared plus x. So plus, we combine this also, which is 4x plus 4. So after having this, we have to factor out what is common to this. So here is f of x plus 2 equals, so we have that is common here. By taking out x, when we divide this one by x, we have x plus, dividing this one by x, that is 1, plus, and what is common here that we can factor out is 4. So by taking out 4, so we have this as x plus 1. Then we have f of x plus 2 equals, so we have to combine this together. So by combining this, we have this as x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 1. So after a successful factorization of this quadratic above, here is what we get. F of x plus 2 equals x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 1. But looking at this domain, we have x plus 2, and it does not, nothing is representing it there. So we have to remanipulate this just to look like this. And what we do here is, suppose we write this as f of x plus 2 equals, so let's say I break this into x plus 2. So we have x plus 2, then we can add 2 at the bracket here. Then we put all this in a general bracket. So x plus 2, that is x plus 4, then multiply by, so we also need this one to be x plus 2. So we are going to add x plus 2, and this one must be x plus 1. So we have to subtract 1 from here. So by subtracting 1, we have x plus 2 as well. Then in the next step, suppose what we need here is f of x only, because the question says find f of x. So therefore, we have to replace, so just try to replace x plus 2 with only x. So by replacing it, we have f of x equals x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. Then let's try to expand this. We have f of x equals x multiplied by x, that is x squared, minus x multiplied by 1, that is x, plus 2 multiplied by x, we have 2x, minus 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. And in the next step, we have this as f of x equals x squared. So minus x plus 2x, that is plus x, and here is minus 2. So for every f of x is equals x squared plus x minus 2 as it requires. So this is the solution that satisfies this problem, and we call this one form manipulation method. And actually we can still apply another method, which is substitution method to this. So let's see, this is method 2. So we call this one substitution method. So given that f of x plus 2 equals x squared plus 5x plus 4. So when we apply substitution method, it means we are going to let x plus 2 equals t. So we have to make x the subject of formula from here. So by making x the subject of the formula, we have x equals, so we take 2 to this side and it becomes t minus 2. So we have to come here and do the necessary replacement, and we get the same result as we get above. So let's see how we can substitute this. After a successful substitution method, so let's try to expand this. Here we have f of t equals, we have to multiply this 2 times, as we have this as t minus 2 multiplied by t minus 2 plus, so when we open this, we have 5 multiplied by t minus 5 times 2, that is 10, plus 4. Then we have f of t equals, so t multiplied by t, that is t squared plus, okay, so we have minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, that is 4. And also we have t multiplied by minus 2, that is minus 2t, and minus 2 multiplied by t, that is minus 2t, plus 5t minus 10 plus 4, that is minus 6. Then here we have t squared and minus 2t plus minus 2t, that is minus 4t, and minus 4t plus 5t, we have it as plus t, and plus 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. So therefore, we have this as f of t equals t squared plus t minus 2. Then since we need x, let's try to replace t with x. Both of them are members of real number. So therefore we have f of x equals x squared plus x minus 2. And we get the same result for the first one and the second one. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye bye.